I'm Bill Hunt, candidate for Orange County Sheriff. I strongly believe in limited and efficient government. Orange County is on the verge of our second bankruptcy in as many decades. At the same time, we continue to subsidize criminal defendants, bail, and health care in our jails. This is unacceptable. In 2008, nearly 90% of criminal defendants were provided a public defender on our dime. The sheriff and courts continue to free criminals on their own recognizance rather than making them post their own bail. And we continue to provide free health care to all inmates housed in the Orange County jail system, whether they have their own health care benefits or not. All three of these programs were designed for the indigent, but big government bureaucrats have expanded them into taxpayer-funded subsidies costing us millions of dollars a year. We are literally subsidizing crime in this county while on the verge of bankruptcy. This kind of unchecked bureaucratic empire building at taxpayer expense must be stopped. As your sheriff, I will not permit pre-arraignment referrals to the public defender's office until criminal defendants have been screened to determine whether or not they can afford their own legal counsel. As your sheriff, my policy will be pay your bail or stay in jail. As your sheriff, I will charge inmates with the financial means a copay for medical visits, and I will charge back medical services provided in our jails to the health care plans of those inmates who have their own health care coverage. California law gives the sheriff this option, and 49 of 58 California sheriff's departments have already successfully adopted this practice. When there is a private alternative that does the job better, contributes to the system and to our local economy, the private alternative must be given priority over the big government program. Typical bureaucratic management is not adequate to solve the budget crisis the sheriff department is facing. We need a sheriff with a clear vision for the future that puts us first. I believe I have the experience, leadership, and integrity to be your next sheriff. I ask for your support.